morning. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Jimmy Gonzalez Canada, 19 years old, from Bayugan City, Agusan del Sur. I studied here in Imsulianga campus to achieve my dreams, and I am the oldest son of my family, and that's all.
Why did you choose this company?
I chose this company to enhance my skills and to prove to you that I am capable of doing work, and I will do my best. Also, I am a very reliable person.
How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
I see myself as a very successful businessman, and I see myself as a good person to help each other.